Zing lets you append CSVs to existing tables if you'd like, overwrite existing tables, or create new tables if you have administrator rights. Let's say we've got data on sales from 2022 and data on sales from 2023. These are labeled as 2022 sales and 2023 sales. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new data set. Let's call it sales data. And I'll drag over the 2022 sales CSV. I'll just call this sales as the table name. And Zing imports that and creates that table for me. You'll see this create action means that that table didn't already exist. And the OK status means that all the table information looks right. That is, there's header rows and it's correctly formatted and stuff like that. I'm going to hit next. And this data source has now been created. Over in data sources, I can see this newly created data source. Go to the end here. And I'm going to update data. And I'm going to indicate, once I drag this 2023 sales data over, that I actually want to add this to an existing table. You'll see I have the option to create a new table. I could replace an existing table, but in this case, I actually want to append. This basically just stacks those additional rows from my 2023 sales on top of my previously imported data that was from 2022 and puts it all in this table name, sales. I hit next. And Zing again verifies that this file has valid data in it and that it's going to be appended in this case, to this table name. Now I can immediately go start querying this data. And you'll notice that there were two different files, the 2022 one and the 2023 one, but there's only one table here. And that's because I chose to append that data to the sales table. Now, when I go see, let's say, the number of orders, say the count of orders, and I want to look at that by order date, I will see data from both 2022 and 2023. In fact, if I wanted to change it to get it by year, I could do that easily here. If I wanted to see it by day or week or month or quarter, I could easily do that here just by clicking on a different date granularity. So it's really easy to add CSVs, append data from CSVs, create new tables, and even define joins between tables within Zing, even if you don't have a data warehouse like Snowflake or BigQuery up and running, and you just want to do this on data that you're importing into Zing. You can learn more in our documentation at zingdata.com.